Hello, Bruce from Decorative Concrete, PGH and Concrete Repair Specialist. We get a lot of phone calls for inner city jobs or old towns where we have steps like this and where they're decaying like these ones here. So one of the things we see in the pictures that are delivered to us by the consumer or customer, whichever way you want to look at it, is where there's chunks popped off like that. One of the things I want to emphasize to the customers is concrete's like a sponge. It's absorbing moisture not only through the top surface, but it's wicking it up from the substrate or the part that it's underneath the concrete. So we get a lot of calls for that, and there's a patch job, and you can see the patch already popped off. And so I tell customers, until we start doing the demolition, you can't tell how bad it is. Case in point, if you took a screwdriver and scuffed up those areas where the pieces are off, if it keeps coming off, it's like cancer. It's eating from the inside out, so they're deteriorating. So anytime you do a patch job, the patch material bonds to itself, but it might separate from the existing steps if the moisture's still wicking up through the back. I don't know if you guys watch a lot of my videos. I'll tell you that water expands 9% at 32 degrees, so that's what pops it off too when they're disintegrating. So I just want to show these ones we did a coating. We did a lot of repairs, and I tell most of the customers you might get 5, you might get 10, you might get 1 year out of them. Depends on the thermal expansion, contraction, how bad our winters are, all that kind of stuff. So this customer's fortunate. They look actually proud we did this job, and it's still lasting. I know this sounds humorous, for a professional company, but it's a guessing game when the consumer doesn't want to spend to replace the whole thing. But he's got about 4 or 5 years out of it. I'd have to research to see when we did it, but it's a minimum of 4 years. But he's now asking us to do the wall. That's why we're back, and I just wanted to we try to monitor our work, because there's tons of sales pitches by the manufacturers of the products we use, but we've been in business for 27 years and 17 years since we separated from other companies, so we kind of try to monitor what works and what doesn't. So there you have it. So there's a set of steps that we actually did a lot of repairs, and we did the coating, and they're not eating from the inside out, and nothing's popped off yet. Take care.